Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix game chat audio and mic not working in Fortnite on PS5. Press the start button from the controller, then go to settings, then click on settings. Now go to audio from top. Now increase the main and voice chat volume. Now go to voice chat and select it as everybody. Then go to voice chat method. Now select it as open mic or push to talk. Now press the PlayStation button from the controller. Now select the output device. Then select it as headset. If device is TV, then select HDMI device. From the bottom, go to friends icon, then select headphone icon. Now select start party. Then go to mute game voice chat. Then turn it off. Then go back and click on mic. Then click on mic and select it headset. Then turn off the mute. Then select the adjust microphone level. Then adjust the microphone level. By following the steps, you can fix game chat audio and mic not working in Fortnite on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.